Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you're new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Today we are doing my feel good tea. Okay, it's healthy, it's delicious, and it's immune boosting. It's got a lot of antioxidants. Come along with me and let's do this. All right, so guys, this is my ingredients. Okay, very few ingredients I'm using. I've got this hibiscus. Okay, hibiscus is really good for you. It's got lots of antioxidants and it's got lots of vitamin C, and it's very fruity, and yeah, it's going to make the tea so refreshing. I tell you, it's really nice. And also I have my cinnamon stick, which I've crushed so that I can get the intensity of the flavors, and I've got grains of selim, which also I have crushed. These are really healthy and natural ingredients that will really boost your immunity. So this is what I'm going to use for my tea. Yes, so guys, I'm going to use my teapot. Okay, so what I do is I use 2 tea bags. Okay, and that makes it so refreshing. Okay, the first tea bag I use is lemon and ginger. Okay, tea bag. You can use any other. I buy this from Aldi, or you can use it from any other shop you prefer. All right, so it is really refreshing and it gives a really lovely taste to my tea. And the second tea bag that I use is the berry fruits one. Okay, I also buy it from Aldi as well, and yeah, I add it to it, and it gives it, the two of them gives a really lovely and nice flavor to my tea. All right, so these are the 2 bags that I use, and I'm going to put all my ingredients in there. The cinnamon, it's also got a lot of antioxidants, I'm telling you, and also the grains of selim is really anti-inflammatory. So really, this tea is filled with healthy, really healthy ingredients. So yeah, I add some water to it. This is hot water. Okay, adding my hot water to it, and then what I'll do is I'll let it just brew for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'll wait till 10 minutes for it to brew. So guys, yeah, I'm about to check on my tea. Oh, it smells so good. But you know guys, I love a little bit of sweetness in my tea. So what I'm going to do here is to add some honey. Okay, just a little bit of honey. You can omit this if you don't like any sweetness, but I love putting honey into it, and it tastes amazing. So I'll put just about a tablespoon of honey into it, not a lot. If you want more, you can add more to it. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. I just love this tea. I feel so good when I drink this tea. So healthy, and it's so good for you. So guys, my immune boosting tea is so good. I've been having this tea since the pandemic started, and it's really helped. Okay, it's full of antioxidants. Okay, and it's anti-inflammatory as well, and it's got a lot of vitamin C. I tell you, it's really good for you. These natural ingredients, we have the cinnamon, the hibiscus, the grains of selim, are so good ingredients that you have to use for your cooking, and it's so good with this tea. If you have it every day, you are going to love it, and it's going to really feel good. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and please put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.